Hi everyone! In this video we're gonna show how to replace the front lens of a Lancia Y cluster, which, as you can see, got some scratches here and over here as well. So let's start. First of all, to remove the cover, we're gonna undo these two screws. I'm using a Torx T10 screwdriver. Then I'm gonna pry on those 8 plastic clips. Seven and 8. If you find it hard to remove, you might use your other hand to pull the rear cover while you're prying on the clips. Like this. And yeah, here it goes. So once we remove it, we're gonna get the replacement, which is available on our website. Fitting it's actually pretty easy. We're just gonna insert the cover and we're gonna attach it to the clips, making sure that they're properly secure. Like this from one side and from the other. Tighten the screws and the cluster is good as new. If you have any question or you'd like to request a specific video, just ask us in the comments. Remember, we make it simple.